Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop, so let's apply some changes there. It's a background eraser tool. We will erase the background and show you how we can create a fascinating cutting a layer style. So let's make these changes to create our designs there. Then we will make the further changes into it. So now we will create a new layer in the center. Now we are going to change the style of that newly created layer. Then again create the further layer within the layer. So let's keep on making